Ulat ka Jylla Wijaya Shankar henne ka singingkong ula Pynkup Burom ni ka Rangialehkai under 15 ka Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School Riboy kabalayo ya kara anam jong 63 Subrto International Cup dangshan ha Benglaru ya kane ka jingelang Pynkup Burom lapan syungkun da ka jinge don lang umentri rang ba ka Jylla ukon rat ge sangma umentri Rangialehkai ba Shakliar Warjri umele ka Mawhati constituency ba Charles Marngar bat kiwe ki he sorkar ulat ka Jylla haba ajingkren ula ong na bangaru ngade wei uru Rangialehkai ngalak ban pin itu bat kini ki kena Rangialehkai ban job yakat kane ka lempung ka bahe kamde ka aka ka basu kinsting ngangit bakapuar ka babyang ya uno ukena ban hikai ka deha pedeng karta ka ban riu haduk khan riu snem ban kane ka jengmut jing perkhat kalong ka ba aimen sim banyo i ka jing timbit hakum kane karta
Many people ask me, especially our friends from the press, they ask me about all the money and the funds we spend to develop sports. I think in the last 6 to 7 years, we have built and sanctioned in some are ongoing projects the amount and the number of schemes that we have sanctioned in the last 7 years, so it is more than what was sanctioned in all the last 45 years put together in sports. That's how much we have spent in the infrastructure and the number of sports facilities we have created, and you will see it everywhere. In the last 52 years of our state, we have had Meghalaya Games only 5 times in our states, only 5 times. 2003 and 2000 something, and the rest were in the last 6-7 years of our government's. So out of 5 Meghalaya Games, 3 were held during this government's time, sir. And Meghalaya Games was forgotten. Nobody wanted to host it. Everybody thought it was a waste of time, waste of money, and not a lot of interest was given. The different associations, some of them are here right now, I can see 1 or 2. So they would never get any funds to organize any tournament, be it the football associations, be it the basketball association, the badminton association. For whatever reason, sir, I'm not here to blame anybody. No money was given to, or very less money was given to the different associations to conduct different sports functions and organizations and competitions, because without funds they can't do it. In the last 5 to 7 years, I think what we have spent in these different organizations is far beyond what was spent in the last 45 years of the state, sir. That's how much money we have spent in different organizations. We started what we call scholarship for students who get medals for us at the national level. So I'm sure these students also will be beneficial of that, sir. So we started supporting our students and our sports persons who were winning and getting medals and laurels for the state by giving them scholarship, which has never happened before in our state, sir. Amount may not be very big, sir. In a year, about 70,000, 80,000 rupees. But it is some way to support their passion in sports. And so the reason why we do this, and this is what I want to come to. The reason why we do this is, yes, we love to see medals. Who doesn't like to see medals? We all want to be winners, and we all want to see more and more medals coming in. But sir, I think apart from the medals, I think what the team manager said, one line which really stuck to my mind, sir, and I really was more satisfied than this victory, is what the one line he told me. He said, or he told us, and he said that the semi-finals was the most difficult match. And in that semi-finals, the true character of these players came out. They decided to fight. They did not give up. And they were determined to win. So this is the satisfaction of all the work that we have done in the last 7 years is to see the character build in these students. Yes, winning and losing is part of life. We will win, we will lose. But everything you do in sports builds your character. The time you spent in that ground, that mud ground, with all the challenges, has made you what you are. The difficult situation under which you have managed to practice and become what you are today shows the character in you. And that is the biggest satisfaction for me. Yes, sir, winning the medal is important. But seeing each one of these youngsters become a fighter, become a person who wants to work towards victory, working hard.
Where actually this Subrata Mukherjee tournament being conducted, that's my home state. There we have won this tournament. The team which you have been defeated is the Rajbhavan secretary. He belongs to that state, UP. And during my school days, Mr. Sangam, one thing we have to keep in mind, we can call this age adolescent age. Below 14 or below 16, we can call them adolescent.